vous plaît. Donne-moi un petit caméra. Assis-toi. Viens ici, viens ici. Et faire comme ça. Non, non. Attends. Non, non. Attends ici. Faire comme ça. Oui, là.
C'est film.
C'est film?
Oui.
Gerba.
Oui.
Alors passe les bonjours alors. Inch'Allah.
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 Khair ma l'afia.
This is how this country is insane. You're just walking and someone stops and he speaks 5 languages and it's just like without like asking for any money. I think it just like helps you getting a photo or something. Absolutely insane. I've never lived something like this in my life. It's heartbreaking that these people don't get the recognition and the tourism they deserve. It's fucking heartbreaking. Legitimately, I mean, verge of tears. I've been here for 15 hours and it's absolutely incredible. I've been invited to tea, to lunches, a guy taking photos, just talking. Fuck, amazing stuff. It's never seen before. One thing about currency is I've got right here maybe 1 million, 2 million or 1,800,000, and I don't know how much it's worth in euros. I gave 10 euros for change and they gave me like this plus another like 1 million I think, but when I type 1 million real it gives me 21 euros. So I don't know. I think they just hand paper for the sake of it. I don't know.
نکنه داری انگلیس ایسکامو میکنی.
زیاد ایسکایی. I don't speak the Farsi, so.
برو.
Come. I didn't record myself doing it because I'm an absolute idiot, but I ordered hot dog in Farsi. I said man ye hot dog piyas mikham lotfan, and she said something. I said she was something about drinks and I just said khair because I didn't understand.